Hey there and welcome back to the Micros Digital YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up a Google Keyword Planner account. This tool is essential for anyone who wants to improve their SEO and increase their online visibility. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Go to Google Keyword Planner. The first step is to navigate to Google Keyword Planner. You can do this by searching for it in Google or by typing in the URL adwords.google.com/keywordplanner. If you already have a Google Ads account, you can log in using your existing credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Step 2. Choose your keywords. Once you're in the Keyword Planner, you'll be prompted to choose between two options: find new keywords or get search volume and forecasts. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll focus on the first option. Enter a keyword or phrase related to your industry or niche and click Get Results. You'll be presented with a list of related keywords and their corresponding search volume. Step 3. Refine your search. From here, you can further refine your search by selecting various filters such as location, language, and date range. You can also see the competition level and suggested bid for each keyword. This information can be incredibly valuable in determining which keywords to target in your content. And that's it. Setting up a Google Keyword Planner account is quick and easy, and it can provide invaluable insights into your target audience's search behavior. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Micros Digital YouTube channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.